po is I'm going to show you my own version of Miki, Ilocos Miki. So, ito po yung ingredients natin. We need some homemade Miki noodles. And of course, yung garlic po natin. And white onion. And Anato seed. It's a sweater. It's a sweater from Mamacita. And of course, guys, we also need some garnish of parsley. And of course, guys, we need some beef. Yung cut na po siya, binili ko. So, I'm going to use half lang kasi it's too much. Alright, guys. So, I'm going to start cooking na po. Guys, so, dito po is I'm going to saute the garlic and the onion. So guys, ilagay na po natin yung onion. Garlic. Oh my god. Expose yung onion. Guys, so I'm going to put na po yung meat natin, half lang. So guys, ganito na po siya, and then hintayin lang po natin na ma-crispy pa siya ng konti. And then after that, guys, i-add na po natin yung Anato water po natin. In this case po, i-add na po natin to. Yan po, pakuluan lang po ng konti. And then mag-add din po tayo ng water. So guys, here, I'm going to add some water. So guys, pakuluan lang po natin. Pakuluan po lang natin. And then after that, guys, i-add na po natin yung Miki noodles natin. Guys, check po natin kung kumukulo na po. Yes, it's already boiling. So guys, I'm going to add na po yung noodles natin. Here. So guys, ihalo lang po natin para hindi sila dikit-dikit. So let's check. And it's already boiling again. So lastly po is I'm going to add na po yung parsley po natin. To mix them po. Actually guys, I already add some salt. So sa salt po, kayo na po yung bahala ng salt. So ito na po yung Ilocos Miki natin with eggs and yung spicy po natin. Yan po. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Hope to see you again.